Hi guys, I'm Kat from 86 Eats, and today I have with me Barry, who's my Big Mac buddy, because today we're making vegan Big Macs. Barry and I used to go eat Big Macs together once a year to celebrate birthdays when I wasn't vegan. Barry still goes and eats Big Macs. So today I'm gonna try to prove to Barry that I can make a vegan Big Mac as good as the Big Mac that he still eats and shouldn't. So all you need to do is go buy some Beyond Meat burgers. You can thaw them and then split each burger into two. So you want 4 patties instead of 2. Then you need lettuce, pickles, onions, cheese, and the secret sauce, which is Thousand Island. So we're just gonna make some Thousand Island and build some burgers. Y'all need some mayonnaise. It's like a half a cup. Whew. Then you need some ketchup. It's like a couple squirts. Then you need salt, pepper. I like a little everything spice. Chopped up pickles. Pickles are good. And a little vinegar. It's gonna do a little bit first. You wanna mix it?
Sure, Kat. I'd love to. Am I doing it right?
It looks like secret sauce almost. Get in there.
Yes, it's getting the color. I see it now.
The special orange.
You're right.
So a Big Mac has how many pieces of bread? It's a trick question. That's 3.
Oh.
So it's a triple bun.
Of course.
So when you go buy your buns, you're gonna have to take a top, a bottom, and another bottom. You can use the extra top for toast later, Barry. It won't go to waste. You'll use it. So, what are you gonna put? Thousand Island? Special sauce. You want cheese on it?
Yum.
I made this cheese. The recipe is on 86eats.com. Smoky cheddar. You need some onions, and you need some pickles, and you need some lettuce.
Look good already.
And you need a burger, and then you need your second bun, and then you have to do it all over again. And it's messy. Special sauce.
And special sauce.
Some cheese that I made. Onions, pickles, lettuce, another burger. Let's put some more special sauce on it.
Why not? It's good.
It's special. Then, you have a Big Mac, Barry.
Excellent.
Now you're gonna eat it, and you're gonna tell me what you think.
Professional at work.
He's a professional Big Mac eater.
That's awesome, Kat.
To Beyond Meat burger, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun.